Good afternoon, student. Now we are going to revise answer in brief. Name the neighboring countries of India. India shares in 15,200 kilometer long land frontier with Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. So in the India largest border is Bangladesh and shortest border is Afghanistan. Give the importance of the IST. The local time of the central meridian of the India is standard time of India. India's central meridian is 82 degree and 30 east longitude. It passes through the Mirzapur and roughly bisects the country in the terms of longitude. The IST is 5:30 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Write a short note on Deccan Plateau. This physiographic division is the largest part of the plateau region of India. The shape of the plateau is roughly what is the shape? Triangular. One side of the triangle is marked by the line joining Kanyakumari with the Rajmahal Hills. This line passes through the eastern Ghats. The second arm is marked by the Satpura Range, Magadaya Hills and Michael Range and Rajmahal Hills. The third arm is marked by Western Ghats. The area of the plateau is about 7 lakh square kilometer. The height is 500 to 1000 meter above sea level. Fourth one, state the west flowing rivers of India: Narmada, Dabati, Sabarmati and Maghi. Fifth one, write a brief note on island group of Lakshadweep. This is a small group of coral island located off the west coast of India. It covers area of 32 square kilometer and Cavite is the administrative capital. Lakshadweep Islands are separated from Maldives Island by the 8-degree channel. Answer in paragraph. Explain the division of northern mountains and its importance to India. The answer: the constitute the core part of the northern mountain. The main division of the Himalayas are Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalayas and Silvakis. The Greater Himalayas are Himatri. The Greater Himalaya rise up like the wall north of the Lesser Himalaya. The Greater Himalayas are about 20 km wide. It is the average height is about 6,000 meter. The Greater Himalaya receive lesser rainfall as compared to the Lesser Himalayas and Silvakis. And physical weathering is less effective over the Greater Himalayas and compared to other ranges. The notable one is, what is the mountain is the Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. Mount Everest is located in Nepal. Kanchenjunga is located in Nepal and Sikkim. The Lesser Himalayas or the Himachal is the middle range of Himalayas. Height of this range varies from 3,700 to 4,500 meter. It is the width varies up to 80 km. The major rocks of this range are slate, limestone and quartz. This region is subjected to extensive erosion due to the heavy rainfall and deforestation and urbanization. Pat Panchal, Daulatpur and Mahabharat are the mountain ranges from the Pot. And Silvakis or outer Himalayas. The Silvakis extend from Jammu and Kashmir to Assam. It is partially made by the debris brought by the Himalayan rivers. The altitude varying between 900 to 1100 meter. Elevation of these ranges is 1300 meter. The width of Silvakis vary from 10 km in the east to 50 km in the west. It is the most discontinuous range. The longitudinal valleys found in between the Silvak and Lesser Himalaya are called Dans in the west and Dar in the east. And the second one, give an account of the major peninsular river of India. So the rivers in South India are called the peninsular rivers. Most of the rivers originate from the Western Ghats. There are seasonal rivers. They all has the large seasonal fluctuation of the volume of the water. They are slowly fed by the rain. These rivers flow in the valleys with the steep granites. Based on the direction of flow of peninsular rivers are divided into west flowing and east flowing. What is the two types of the peninsular rivers? West flowing and east flowing rivers. First one, Mahanadi. This river Mahanadi originates the Sikaka in Rajpur district of Chhattisgarh and flows through the Odisha. It is a length 851 kilometer. Sihanouk and Telangana and Santur and Ibi are the major tributaries. The main stream of Mahanadi gets divided into several distributaries such as Paika and Virba and Sitrala, Sindhu and Nan. The Mahanadi empties in water where's the Bay of Bengal. Next one, Godavari is the longest river with an area of 3.30 lakh kilometers square among the peninsular river. It is also called the Ganga. It originates the Nasik district of Maharashtra, a portion of the Western Ghat. It flows through the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh before joining Bay of Bengal. And Parna and Penga and Pradika, Iravadi, Thar and Salmi are the major tributaries. And Kollur, a freshwater lake, is located in the deltoic region of Godavari. And next is the river is Krishna. The river Krishna originates from the spring or the place called Magabaleswara in the western Ghats of Maharashtra. Its length is 1400 km and area of 2.58 lakhs of square kilometer. It is the second longest peninsular river. Bhima, Bettavagu, Musi, Koyna and Tungabhadra are the major tributary of these rivers. Kaveri, the river Kaveri originates at the Talakaveri, Kudagu hills of Karnataka. Its length is 800 km. The river Kaveri is called Daskin Ganga or Ganga of South. Harge, Hemavati, Kabini, Babani, Argavati, Nayakkal, Amaravati, etc. are the main tributaries of the river Kaveri. The Kaveri breaks at Srirangam island with the two channel river Kolaran and Kaveri. At last, it is empties into the Bay of Bengal at Pumbukar. Given detailed account on the basin of Ganga. The Ganga river system is the largest drainage system of India. It extends over an area of 8,61,404 square kilometers in India. The Ganga plain is the most densely populated place in India, and many towns are developed on the banks of river. The river Ganga originates as the Bhagirathi from the Gangotri glacier in the Uttarakasi district of Uttarakhand state at the elevation of 7,010 meter. I wrongly read the Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi. The length of the river Ganga is about 2,525 km. The major tributary from the north are Gomati and Gangtok, Kasi and Gangotri, and from the south Yamuna, largest tributary of Ganga, Son and Sampal, etc. The river Ganga is known as the river Batma in Bangladesh. The combined river of Ganga and Brahmaputra creates the world's largest delta known as Sundarbans in Bangladesh before joining the Bay of Bengal. So up to this all will be revised properly and write the exam well. Thank you, student.